Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mixed Fitness Video, your go-to channel for fun and effective workouts. Today, we're diving into a dynamic fat-burning cardio workout, a heart-pounding sweat-inducing session that promises not just a good time, but a fiery torching of those extra calories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now it's time to grab your workout gear and prepare yourself for an exhilarating fitness journey. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Before we kick things into high gear, it's crucial to get those muscles warmed up. A good warm-up is like revving up your engine before a race, priming your body for the action to come. So let's start with some light jogging in place. This is all about getting your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Keep it light, keep it easy. Don't forget to engage your core and keep your breathing steady. Now that we've got the blood pumping, let's transition into jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a full-body warm-up that engages your legs, arms, and core. Keep a steady rhythm and land softly on your feet to protect your joints. Remember, this is just the warm-up. Our main goal here is to get our muscles loose and ready for the main event. All right, we're all warmed up and ready to burn some fat. Our fat-burning cardio workout consists of 5 high-intensity exercises that you'll repeat for 2 rounds. Let's start with exercise number 1. High knees, a dynamic move that's all about speed and power. To execute this move, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Now, begin to jog in place, lifting your knees as high as possible with each step. Remember, the goal is to keep your pace brisk, so let's aim for the sky. This high-octane exercise not only targets your core and legs, but also sends your heart rate soaring, making it the perfect opener for our cardio workout. So come on, let's power through for a full 45 seconds. You're doing fantastic. Keep those knees pumping, the higher the better. Just a few more seconds now. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Phew, that was intense. Now let's move on to exercise number 2, jump squats. Exercise number 2, jump squats. We're diving straight into a dynamic exercise that targets your lower body, primarily your quads and glutes. Here's how it's done. Start by standing tall, then bend those knees and drop into a squat. Go as low as you can without compromising your form. Now, push through your heels and explode upwards into a jump. Remember to land softly to protect your knees. That's 1 rep. We're going to perform jump squats for 45 seconds. It's time to feel that fire in your legs and torch some serious calories. Ready? Let's get started. Fantastic. Keep pushing through even if those legs are screaming. Remember, it's all about form over speed. Keep that chest up and make sure you're sitting back into that squat. You're doing an excellent job, and that's time. Shake out those legs and catch your breath. Great job. Next up, exercise number 3, the dreaded burpees. Scene script. Next up, exercise number 3, the dreaded burpees. Now don't let the name intimidate you. Burpees are a powerful full-body exercise that combines strength training and aerobic conditioning, making them an exceptional choice for our fat-burning cardio workout. So, how do we do a burpee? It's simple. Start with a jump, reaching your hands above your head. As you land, bend your knees and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, and then lower your body for a push-up. Push back up, jump your feet back in, and then explode up into another jump. That's 1 rep. Remember, the key to a great burpee is maintaining a smooth and continuous motion. It's not about speed, but about the quality of each movement. Ready to give it a shot? Set your timers for 45 seconds and let's get started. You've got this! Stay strong, halfway there. Exercise number 4 is mountain climbers. This high-intensity exercise is going to test your endurance and stamina while working your entire body. Let's get started. Position yourself into a plank. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This is your starting position. Now, draw your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and do the same with your left knee. It's like you're running, but your hands are grounded. This exercise is a real fat burner, working your core, shoulders, and hip flexors. It's a challenging move, but remember, the more you push yourself, the greater the reward. As we start, keep your core engaged and maintain a good pace. We're going for 45 seconds. Ready? Let's climb that mountain. And we're off. Keep going, maintain your form, and remember to breathe. Don't worry about speed. Focus on your form. Push through the burn, you're doing amazing. Last but not least, exercise number 5, jumping jacks. This classic cardio move is a powerhouse of an exercise that targets your entire body. Here's how we do it. Begin by standing tall with your feet together and arms at your sides. Now jump up, spreading your feet wide and swinging your arms out and above your head. Land softly, and on your next jump, bring your feet back together and your arms back to your sides. That's one jumping jack. This exercise is not just about speed, it's about coordination and rhythm. So let's get to it. For the next 45 seconds, I want you to give it your all. Jump high, spread wide, and keep that energy up. Remember, this is the final push, so let's make it count. And go, stay strong, keep moving, and keep breathing. You're doing amazing. That's it. You've completed the fat-burning cardio workout. Great job, everyone. Phew, that was a killer workout, wasn't it? We've just powered through 5 high-intensity exercises, each designed to get your heart racing and your muscles working. Not only does this workout torch fat, but it also strengthens your cardiovascular health. Don't forget to cool down and stretch those muscles to aid recovery. Remember, consistency is key in this journey towards a fitter, healthier you. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.